Alrighty everybody, here's another simple video on how to adjust the steering wheel on a 2014 Toyota Camry SE. As you can see, this is the wheel right here. It's an electric steering, but you can manually adjust it. And I'll show you how to do that. The lever to adjust the steering wheel is located right here, right underneath it. As you can see. So to do the actual adjustment, holding that lever at the bottom, to do it, adjust it up and down, you just pull the lever down, and that makes it go, as you can see, it's down, up, up, down. And while having it in that position right there, it makes it go up, up, down like that, until it tilts it, you know, up and down. And you also can pull it in, out, and in, out and in, just like that. And once you get to the desired position, that same lever, you just push it in and it locks it in like so. And just like that. Another simple video on how to adjust the steering wheel in a 2014 Toyota Camry SE. Thanks again for watching. Please at the end of the video like, comment, subscribe. Be graceful.